Okay, this is homework for Monday, March 28th. You're in your functions book on page 83 doing number 6. It tells you to put the exercises in order from which one burns the most calories to which one burns the least calories. So in order to do that for each exercise, we need to find the equation. Okay, but for cycling, it gives us the equation, but Miss Stefan asked us to make a table. So I'm going to make a small table next to it. And the X is minutes, and the Y is calories. So my equation they gave me is telling me that when you are doing cycling, so riding a bike, you burn 10.8 calories per minute. So at 0 minutes, you burn zero calories, but at 1 minute, you burn 10.8 calories. Which means at 2 minutes, I'm going to have to do 10.8 plus 10.8 would be 21.6 calories. Okay, so that's for cycling. And I know my slope is 10.8. Now yoga, you can burn 429 calories in an hour. So an hour is 60 minutes, and I want to make sure I know how many calories I can burn in 1 minute, because that's what our variables are. We're doing minutes. So to figure that out, I have to do 429 calories divided by 60 minutes, which gives me 7.15. So she burns, in doing yoga, you burn 7.15 calories per minute. So that makes the equation y equals 7.115x. Okay, now in running we have a table and we have to find the equation. So of course the first thing I do is put in carats. On my y side, from 137 to 205.5 is 68.5. And then from 205.5 to 342.5 is 137. On the x side is going up by 5 and then 10. Okay, since I've got different numbers here, I have to divide it. It's always y divided by the x. A lot of you are still mixing that up. So I have to do 68.5 divided by 5, which gets me 13.7. And then 137 divided by 10 also gives me 13.7. Okay, which makes the equation for running y equals 13.7x. So when you run, you're burning 13.7 calories per minute. Okay, with the graph, I need to find 2 points that go through the grid lines perfectly so I can make a slope triangle. There is one right here, so I'm going to use that. And one right here. Okay, so I'm going to make my slope triangle. Now I'm going to count my rise and my run, and you be careful what it's counting by. On the x-axis it's counting by 1, so it's 1, 2, 3. And then the y-axis, it's numbering by 10, but it's counting by 5, because this would be 5, 10, 15. So when I count my rise, I go 5, 10, 15, 20. And then I do 20 divided by 3 gets me 6.67x. Oh, sorry. So that means when you're swimming, you're burning 6.67 calories per minute. So I'm going to write the equation for swimming. Okay, so now that we have the equation for each one and we have the slope for each one, we have to put them in order from most calories to least calories. So most meaning the highest. So it looks like I have a 10.8, 7.15, 13.7, and 6.75. So 13.7 running would burn the most calories. So I'm going to put them in order. So it goes running. And then I'm going to look. Let's see, I did running. So the next highest number would be 10.8 with the cycling. Or bike riding. Okay, next highest number would be yoga at 7.15, which leaves the last would be swimming. So I put them in order from burning the most calories per minute to running the least calories per minute. And I totally just spelled swimming wrong. Swimming. Okay, your secret message is that you're going to circle which one of these exercises you like the most. For me, I love swimming. I could swim all day, so I would circle swimming. All right, I will see you tomorrow.